Take a A4 sheet, fold it in half. Now open it up and do a triangle. You just made a half triangle. Do another half triangle in the other side and put a big triangle above the small triangle we just made. You have to do it in the both sides. Same in the bottom, do a triangle. Now fold it in half. You see this edge, fold it to the edge and do it all the way. You see the hole, put it inside the hole. If that's okay, if it comes extra, put your finger inside the hole. Now you got a paper wolf claw. Make 5 claws so you can put it for each finger. Open the hole and put your finger inside that hole. Do it for all the fingers. You can play it with your friends and scratch them. To learn with Pikku, like and subscribe and share.